Today, I'll show you how to cast the Brave browser to your TV step by step using the easiest working methods. Method 1. Make sure your TV or Chromecast and your device are on the same Wi-Fi network. Now, open Brave browser on your computer, click the three dots on top of here, and then go to Settings first of all. Under Settings, go to Extensions. Inside of Extensions, make sure Media Router is turned on. After that, go back to the three dots and scroll down until you find more tools. Inside of here, click on Cast. Choose your TV or Chromecast device from the list. Your Brave tab or entire desktop will now appear on the TV. Method 2. Cast from Android phone. Open Brave browser on your Android phone. If Brave doesn't show a cast button, use Android Screencast instead. Go to Settings and then Connect to Devices and then Cast. Select your TV, then open Brave and browse manually. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.